guys, Vlogger Connolly here, and yeah, your family. So yeah, I will be doing a camping video today, so yeah, I am a little bit annoyed, because, I will have to spend most of my time editing, but not like cropping anything out and all that. I will have to only, like, add sound, add an intro. Like, the intro would be like lines on the screen, and then Vlogger coming across it, and then an outro will just be a like from doing that, and you know what they are. I decided to punch a tree 12 times, and it hurt. And you won't be seeing this right now because you will be in school, and no one sees this during school. So yeah, I will be editing. I won't be cropping anything out. I won't be like doing anything. But the subscribers, yeah, I will celebrate 10 subscribers by probably doing one of the weirdest things ever with a balloon. Because I will be getting a lot of water bombs. Yeah, I want to reach 10 subscribers, and I will be throwing them at people. If I turn 14 when I still have this YouTube channel, I will show you my moped I have. So yeah, like, subscribe, and bye.